Assalamualaikum and hi. Before we start our presentation, I will introduce to you our group members. We have 4 members. The first one is Muhammad Danish Haikal bin Muhammad Najib. The second one is Muhammad Amir Hasif bin Ahmad Ghazi. The third one is Nur Aina Suhaila binti Jamali. And the last one is Alia Amira binti Ahmad Rashidi. For your information, our group had choose National Mosque of Malaysia, which is Masjid Negara, as our work assignment. So here we can see the table content of Masjid Negara. Our group will present to you the starting from introduction until conclusion about Masjid Negara. So we hope that you will enjoy our presentation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noina Soila binti Jamali. I will present about introduction of National Mosque. The National Mosque is the main mosque in Malaysia, located in the heart of the city of Kuala Lumpur. This mosque was constructed in 1963 and officially opened on August 27, 1965. However, the idea to construct this mosque started 1 month before the Independence Day. This is because of the most symbolic representation of Islam Majesty as Malaysia's national religion.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Hasif bin Ahmad Ghazi and I will present about National Mosque of Malaysia. During a meeting of the Federal Executive Council on 30 July 1957, our Prime Minister Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj brought up the possibility of constructing Masjid Negara for the first time. In our research, we have found that construction of National Mosque of Malaysia had started in 1963. It only took 2 years to finish the construction, which means finish in 1965. The mosque was officially opened on August 1965 and declared by our third Yang di-Pertuan Agong. In addition, RM10 million in total was needed to finish the construction of Masjid Negara. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Danish Haikal bin Muhammad Najib. I will introducing you 3 main architects who is responsible in construct and designing most of the concept and element of the mosque. First and foremost, we have Datuk Baharuddin Abu Qasim, Ikmal Hisham Al-Bakri and Tunku Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj. I will be explaining about a few designs that are present in the National Mosque. Firstly, we have minaret, which 2 sides are made of geometrically patterned concrete grills and the other 2 sides are covered by rectangular terrazzo slates. It is also built in reinforced concrete. Next, I will be explaining the design of the interior roof. In the middle of the roof, there is an aluminium cuff with verses of the Quran like a replica of the dome of the Blue Mosque in Istanbul, Turkey. Furthermore, Islamic calligraphy or Quran verses were used on the roof as well as in the main prayer hall.
Next, construction stage. First, preparing site. It must be complete, including leveling the site, clearing the site, demolish the previous structure, and installing a water system and also determining the qiblat direction. Second, foundation. This mosque use piling foundation to increase strength the substructure of the mosque using concrete piling or more precisely using cast in situ reinforced concrete piles. Third, frame. This mosque use the reinforced concrete frame structure. This purpose of the frame is to support the dead load, life load and structural load. Fourth, column. This mosque have 16 huge circular column in the main prayer hall. Function column to support structural load. Fifth, staircase. Staircase is an important element that functions as a way of entrance from level to another level. It must follow the standard that have been set. Next is roof. The roof design looks similar to an umbrella that has been opened. To support of the roof structure, it have reinforcement. Next, upper floor. The upper floor use waffle slab. To construct the waffle slab, must install reinforcement formwork, waffle shape and concrete. Lastly, wall. Function wall to support and transfer the load from the building to the foundation. Also install reinforcement to improve the strength. For wall finishes, use tile, marble, plaster and paint.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Alia Amira and now I would like to share with you guys about the problem faced during the construction of National Mosque in way to solve it. The construction industry is an important industry in the development of country because it is one of the main sources for the country's profit. However, the construction process is often full of various challenges that can affect the duration of construction, budget, and the overall success of the project. There are three problems and solutions during the construction of National Mosque, which is cost, structural challenge, and the last one was construction delay. The first one is cost. The total cost of the material for the building was too high. The overall cost of the construction materials exceeds the expected estimate cost. It is necessary to make modification in the choice of materials to reduce the expenses. Following their discussion, a decision was reached to substitute the remaining terrazzo design with local marble. By changing the material, the construction expenses can be reduced by 2 million. This not only saves the construction cost, but also the material used are still high quality. Next, we have structural challenge. The complexity of architecture introduced structural challenges such as determining the loads bearing capacity, addressing basic requirements, and ensuring the stability of unique architectural features. For example, this national mosque has a difficult element on its roof that is shaped like an umbrella. Meeting this challenge requires collaboration between architects and structural engineers. So, for the solution, the authorities choosing materials that can withstand the specific load and stresses associated with the unique architectural feature. And for the last one is construction on delay. This delay are because of authorities need to demolish the old building and clear the site before starting any new project. For the solution, use faster and more efficient demolition technique to minimize the time required to clear the site. They also collaborate closely with local authorities responsible for permit and approval to expedite the process. In conclusion, reinforced concrete proved to be a versatile and important material for constructing a variety of structure and part, especially when considering the building of national mosques. Its strength and versatility make it a popular option for superstructure as well as substructure, helping to build iconic and long-lasting religious structure. The fact that the national mosques are made of reinforced concrete emphasizes how well suited this material is to support the elaborate architectural layout and symbolic features that are frequently connected to this imposing construction.